Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to get paid to play video games. I'll be going over 3 easy ways that you can use to get paid to play your favorite video games. Now let's get right to it, okay? 2 of these ways don't even require you to be actually good at playing video games, okay? So the first 2 ways that I'll be listing are the ones that don't require much skill. You can be great and make these ways work, but you don't have to be great at video games to make these ways work. You just need to be entertaining or to offer some value. The first way is to start a channel, start a YouTube channel, okay, about playing video games, okay? Now you can do a YouTube channel that talks about new games. You can do a YouTube channel that shows highlights of you playing video games. You can do a YouTube channel with your first impressions of certain new games and so forth. And there are many ways to monetize that channel, so that will allow you to earn money or get paid for playing video games. And you don't even have to be good at the video game. You just have to offer some value. You have to offer something of value. Your first impressions of the game. Maybe you're entertaining, maybe you're informational, but you're not great at the skill, but you offer a lot of information. Whatever it is that you do that offers value to the video game community, that's what's gonna allow you to be successful with a YouTube channel about video games. So that's the first way. The second way is to live stream your video games. Now there are many sites that you can use. There are some very popular ones, but you can live stream yourself playing the video game. So that is, in my opinion, a good option for someone that has many hours per day to play video games. If you are playing video games for 5 to 7 hours a day, live streaming is a great thing for you. You can live stream the video games, and then you can actually take some clips from the live stream and then upload them to your YouTube channel, okay, as videos that you've uploaded. So with that being said, you can sort of combine the first 2 things. And with live streaming, it obviously is a good idea for you to be good at the game, but you just have to offer some value. So you can be funny as you're playing the game. You can have these crazy reactions as you're playing the game. You can offer information, you can offer first impressions. There are many ways to go about it, but live streaming is great. And live streaming and having a channel, so combining the first 2 is awesome. It's an awesome opportunity to get paid for playing video games, get paid to play your favorite video games. The third way is the way that requires you to be really good. You have to have a lot of skill, and that's to be a competitive gamer, okay? There are many competitive gaming communities that will allow you to get paid to play video games competitively. If you're really good, you can get paid to win. You can get paid through sponsorships. There are a wide variety of ways, okay? You can get paid through endorsements, but there are a wide variety of ways, but you have to be good at the game. So if you've been playing a certain game for 3 years and you are amazing at the game, then maybe look into a competitive gaming environment, a competitive and gaming community for that specific game, and try out for it. Try and make your way to the top of the ranks. You can make a lot of money in competitive gaming. And that's basically it. In this video, I just wanted to go over 3 easy ways to get paid to play video games, okay? These are 3 easy ways that you can take action on right now to play video games, to get paid to play video games. And the cool thing is, with these methods, you can earn as much money as you want to. The more that you put into it, the more that you're gonna get out of it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I was going to say enjoyed this video game. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know some other ways that you know of to get paid to play video games in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.